Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a must-have security device for your electric scooter and bike, an anti-theft alarm designed to deter thieves with a powerful 110 dB sound. Let's find out how this small device can make a big difference in protecting your valuable modes of transport. The highlight of this product is its 110 dB alarm sound, capable of sending a clear warning to potential thieves and immediately deterring any theft attempts. Using it is straightforward. It charges via a USB-C port, and the alarm is easily activated or deactivated with the remote control. It's designed for low maintenance too, with 1 to 3 months of daily use or up to 6 months on standby mode without needing a recharge. Now let's see this alarm in action. As you can see and hear, the alarm sound is loud and the response time from the remote is quick, which would be incredibly useful in an actual theft scenario. In summary, this electric scooter and bike anti-theft device offers an excellent solution for keeping your personal transportation safe. Its compact and portable design stands out, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. If theft prevention is a priority for you, this product is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or want more information, leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.